Hey everyone, it's me. 2025 has been a surprising year for Alphabet, Google's parent company, and its investors. The first quarter of the year, the tech giant not only exceeded financial expectations, but also announced strategic plans that could shape the company's future. From impressive profits to AI expansion and even a $70 billion stock buyback, Alphabet has been making waves. Let's take a look at what happened and how it's affected the market. But before we dive in, I want to ask you for a favor. If you find our videos helpful, please consider subscribing. It helps us continue to grow and bring you even more valuable content. Thanks for your support. Starting with the stock buyback, followed by strong quarterly earnings, Alphabet's surprise announcement of a $70 billion stock buyback program sent ripples through the market. This substantial buyback reflects not only the company's confidence in its own value, but also its belief that its stock is currently undervalued. At a time when Alphabet's share price was experiencing volatility, this move demonstrated a commitment to enhancing shareholder value. Next, we have impressive quarterly earnings. Alphabet reported strong financial results for the first quarter of 2025, exceeding both revenue and earnings per share expectations. Revenue grew by 10% year over year, driven primarily by the company's advertising business. Net income reached $34.54 billion, or $2.81 per share, also surpassing estimates. This performance showcased the company's ability to maintain dominance while expanding into new markets. Then there's the significant growth in Google Cloud. One of the most surprising developments was the performance of Google Cloud, which posted a remarkable 28% growth, reaching $12.3 billion in revenue. This surge brought Google Cloud closer to competing with industry giants like Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure. Factors such as the strategic partnership with NVIDIA and the integration of AI tools have fueled this growth. Positioning Google Cloud as a major player in the cloud computing market, Alphabet's foray into AI is another interesting aspect. With the launch of Gemini 2.5, the company is accelerating its push into the AI market. Gemini 2.5 is replacing Google Assistant on mobile devices, promising advanced features like improved natural language processing. This new AI model aims to deliver smarter, more personalized experiences, integrating seamlessly into various platforms like Google Search and Gmail. Moreover, the announcement that AI Overviews now reaches 1.5 billion monthly users highlights the growing adoption of AI-driven content summaries. Across platforms such as Google News, this signifies a broader trend where AI-powered tools are becoming integral to enhancing user experiences. And finally, there's the impact on the market. Alphabet's strategic moves have resonated positively in the market. The stock buyback has boosted investor confidence, signaling the company's belief in its own value and potential. The strong financial performance further reinforces this positive sentiment, showcasing Alphabet's ability to adapt and grow in a dynamic market. Now, let's see how these factors are affecting the market. The announcement of a $70 billion stock buyback has sent positive signals to investors. Stock buybacks are generally viewed as a sign of a company's confidence in its own value, and Alphabet's move is no exception. By repurchasing shares, Alphabet is essentially telling the market that it believes its stock is undervalued, which can boost investor confidence and drive stock prices up. Furthermore, the buyback demonstrates that Alphabet has a robust financial position, with a significant amount allocated to share repurchases. Investors gain reassurance about the company's commitment to enhancing shareholder value, potentially leading to increased investment in the stock. The strong quarterly earnings have further solidified Alphabet's position in the market. When a company surpasses revenue and earnings per share expectations, it signals healthy financial performance and operational efficiency. Alphabet's first quarter results, which showed robust growth across its core business areas, have reinforced investor confidence in the company's ability to generate revenue and manage its finances effectively. Positive earnings reports like this often lead to higher stock prices. As investors respond to the company's ability to deliver solid financial performance, the significant growth in Google Cloud has generated interest and optimism among investors. Cloud computing is a rapidly expanding industry with immense potential for growth. Alphabet's decision to invest heavily in Google Cloud and its subsequent success have caught the attention of investors seeking exposure to this high-potential sector. Google Cloud's impressive performance has positioned Alphabet as a serious contender in the cloud market, attracting investors who are looking to capitalize on the growth opportunities in this space. Alphabet's foray into AI has also been met with interest from investors. AI is a transformative technology with far-reaching applications, and investors are keen on identifying companies at the forefront of AI development. Alphabet's advancements with Gemini 2.5 and AI overviews demonstrate the company's commitment to staying at the cutting edge of AI, making it an attractive option for investors looking to tap into the potential of this technology. In conclusion, Alphabet's performance in the first quarter of 2025 has been nothing short of impressive. The company's strong financial results, expansion into AI, and strategic investments have not only showcased its resilience, but also its potential for growth. The positive market response to these developments is a testament to the company's adaptability and innovation. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated on our latest content. Have a great day and see you in the next one. Hey everyone, and welcome back. It's me, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of Alphabet, the parent company of Google. As you know, we've been taking a close look at how Alphabet defied the odds and managed to surprise the market in 2025. So let us get right into it. Starting off our countdown at number 6, we have an increase in quarterly dividend. But the surprises don't stop there. Alphabet also announced a 5% increase in its quarterly dividend. This raise is great news for investors looking for more substantial returns and shows Alphabet's commitment to its shareholders, especially in times of strong growth. The increase brings the quarterly dividend to 85 cents per share, up from 81 cents previously, marking a clear effort by the company to reward its investors for their continued support. Dividend increases are often seen as a positive signal from a company, indicating financial strength and confidence in its future earnings potential. In Alphabet's case, the decision to raise dividends comes after a series of strong earnings reports, Q1 2025 profits exceeding expectations. By rewarding shareholders with higher dividends, Alphabet is not only offering immediate financial benefits, but also showcasing its strategy of balancing growth investments with shareholder value. In addition to the positive impact on current investors, this increase also attracts a new class of income-focused investors. Many institutional investors, such as pension funds and mutual funds, prioritize companies with strong dividend histories. Alphabet's move to raise its dividend could help diversify its shareholder base and solidify its position as a top-tier investment option in the tech sector. The company's ability to increase dividends while still funding significant investments in AI, cloud services, and other innovation-focused initiatives speaks volumes about its financial health. Alphabet continues to show that it is not just a growth company, but also one that values providing consistent returns to its shareholders. At No. 5, we have Alphabet's diversification strategy. Alphabet continues to diversify its business, and 2025 is a clear reflection of that. With strategic investments in areas like artificial intelligence, cloud computing, autonomous vehicles, and even healthcare, the company is positioning itself for future growth far beyond its core business. Google. This diversification strategy is a smart move, enabling Alphabet to hedge against risks tied to its traditional revenue streams, such as advertising, and ensure its sustainability in an ever-changing market. The company's push into artificial intelligence, for example, has proven to be highly successful, with the launch of its Gemini 2.5 AI model propelling its AI capabilities forward. Alphabet's AI-driven innovations are being integrated into all facets of its business, from Google Search and YouTube to Google Cloud and its hardware products. The company has effectively made AI a key pillar of its growth strategy, setting itself up to be a major player in the expanding AI market. Alphabet is also making significant strides in the healthcare sector. Its life sciences division, Verily, has been advancing projects in areas like disease prevention and health diagnostics, creating partnerships with major healthcare organizations. Verily's initiatives are not only diversifying Alphabet's revenue, but also positioning the company as a leader in health tech, industry poised for massive growth in the coming years. Meanwhile, Google Cloud continues to show impressive growth, with the cloud division reaching $12.3 billion in Q1 2025. Further solidifying Alphabet's presence in the enterprise technology market. The success of Google Cloud highlights Alphabet's ability to compete with the likes of Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure, expanding its influence beyond consumer-focused products. This diversification strategy is not just about mitigating risks, but also ensuring long-term sustainability. By expanding into high-growth sectors like AI, healthcare, and cloud computing, Alphabet is setting itself up to thrive no matter what the future holds. Its diverse portfolio will enable it to weather market fluctuations and remain a key player in the global economy. And that's it for this episode. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more updates on Alphabet and the market. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.